All in our prison Jamaicans body, you know. Because it's been reported that a Jamaican prisoner doused the cops with urine. And them have to go get charged and try for it. Greetings, family and friends. We know, so like when you're in a jail, you know, you have to take a shower. But prisoners in a Jamaican prison is being accused of dousing a woman cop with urine. When you talk about the shower, you can have silver shower, hot shower, all kind of shower, cold shower, golden shower. 3 men are in court for allegedly dousing a woman police inspector with urine when she checked on the prisoner detained in the St. Andrews Central halfway tree lockup. Them boy they don't have no respect, you know, for the officer them, you know. The men who appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish last week are Shermaine Martin, Malik Hepburn, and Keslon Cummings. They are in lockup of various other charges when the incident reported occur in March of this year. They are to return to court September 7th, where the matter is to be mentioned and the wounds them where them are gonna get afflicted can be healed. How can you do such a grotesque thing for dash pee for somebody, much less a woman cop? Or what that? We not gonna take that. Listen, I am not promoting any kind of disturbing situation to occur to him at this time, but him I might get flat up. Him jaw might get broke up. Listen, he's going to be cleaning a lot of toilet until September 7th. On the day of the alleged incident, March 22nd, which was the day of the family visit at the lockup, the woman inspector was on supervision duty as she in charge. Sometimes after the midday, while visitors were in the facility, a loud commotion were heard in the vicinity of the cell. The woman inspector accompanied by 2 constables went to investigate the cause. And it appears that according to the police report, the team of the officers saw prisoners in a particular cell banging on the door, cursing loudly and behaving boisterous. The woman inspector reportedly went to the cell grill, which housed 7 prisoners, including 3 accused, to find out what was wrong. The 3 men allegedly used explicit of the woman cop, accusing her of being biased and stating that they needed to use the facility. Them want to go call to, and them want to visit family members. The police reportedly said after the inspector opened the grilled cell, the 3 accused men reportedly advanced with bottles containing urine and proceeded to douse the complainant from head to toe. Them wet her up with the wee. Them nasty up in place. She's supposed to think for days. The woman inspector and the constable presented that the report that they managed to subdue the inmate after the situation reportedly brought under control. The accused men complained of feeling pain and were taken to the hospital for treatment. Unheard. After subduing them, the complainants, the accused men, were complaining of feeling pain. That means them mashed them up, dealt with them like a criminal. How can you see a government official, a female cop, and go plan up and down, sir, with urine? No. You never just have that now. You have that save up, and you have the intention. If I'm the cop, I am suing you and the government, and I'm making sure me I charge you and make sure you get some solitary confinement so you can know yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, you have Deep Roots TV. I'm reporting live. 3 Jamaican prisoners doused a female cop with an extra shot. Yo, the boy are nasty. Just me think about that. nasty, they nasty.
Fire key, bleeding fire. So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flash it lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flash it lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them, well them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them, well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Boy, fire key, Rastafari Soldier, fire key. Yeah, bang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in. We here every time.
No, beat down my fist. Big up Rastafari Soldier, you're watching Deep Roots TV.
Boom, bang, bang.
Boom, bang, bang.